Hi, this is Dr. Pam Van Arsdell, and it's great to be with you again today. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about gut bacteria, or the microbiome. We have an enormous number of bacteria residing in our gut. Good bacteria and bad bacteria. We want to feed the good bacteria and starve the bad bacteria. If we feed the good bacteria, they will help to crowd out the bad bacteria. It's important to have good health in our gut because the gut plays a role in so many other parts of our body. It plays a big role in maintaining good health. It is connected to the brain in ways that are very important. This is an exciting new field of research, such that researchers are now calling the gut the second brain. We know that the gut plays a role in mental health issues. 90% of the body's serotonin, an important neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. We also know that the gut is important for our immunity. About 70% of our immune system is located in the gut. It's in the GALT, or the gut-associated lymphoid tissue. We also know that the gut is important in staving off inflammation. So, how do we feed the good gut bacteria? Well, we know that they love fiber. So the term prebiotic just means something that feeds the good gut bacteria. Probiotics actually contain the bacteria, but prebiotics feed the gut bacteria. We know that fiber is a wonderful prebiotic, that fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains that contain fiber are very important in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Diversity is important. It's important to eat a number of different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Research has shown the greater the number, the greater the diversity of the fruits and vegetables that we eat, and whole grains and nuts and seeds, the greater diversity of our microbiome, and that's what we want. We want a diverse number of good gut bacteria. So we know that fiber is good. We know fruits and vegetables are good, but today we're going to talk about some real superstars, and we're going to make a smoothie with some of the superstars when it comes to feeding the gut bacteria. So what do we have today? We're going to start with jicama. Now jicama is actually, looks like it would be jicama, J-I-C-A-M-A. Jicama is a Mexican turnip. This is what it looks like. Almost looks like a potato. This is an unpeeled jicama. You can get them often in the grocery already cut up. They're almost, they're in like these little sticks. So I just get these and freeze these to put these in smoothies. Jicama is a very good source of inulin, which is a type of starch that the gut bacteria really love. In fact, it's probably one of the best sources of inulin that we know of. And dandelion greens are also a great source of inulin. So we're going to include that. I'm going to add this to water, about a cup of filtered water, and I'm just going to break off the top of the dandelion greens here, put a handful of those in. Now those can be a little bit bitter, so you could go, use a little bit less of the dandelion greens and put some spinach or something like that that's more mild in your smoothie. I'm also going to include some wild blueberries. Blueberries have been found in research to promote the growth of good bacteria, be a good food for our gut bacteria. I'm going to include a frozen green banana, slightly green banana. Slightly green bananas are good because they're great prebiotics, and they have resistant starch, and they're a source of insoluble and soluble fiber. They're a virtual feast for our good gut bacteria. So good to include a slightly green banana in the smoothie. And then the final ingredient here is some frozen pineapple. This is going to make the smoothie really sweet. Pineapples have some digestive enzymes in them that really are helpful to us by decreasing inflammation in the body. But this is the way that I would make the gut bacteria smoothie. I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about the microbiome and learning this recipe that is just a real superstar for promoting gut health.